Have you ever felt that your mind is full, but you don't know how to explain it? You think a lot, you feel deeply, but when it's time to speak, the words disappear. If this sounds like you, then this episode is for you. Welcome. You are listening to Power of Listening. Hello, my friend, and welcome back to the channel. This is not just a podcast. This is a safe space, a space where your thoughts are allowed to breathe. Today's topic is very simple, but very powerful. How to talk about your mind. Part 1. Why it is hard to talk about your mind. Let's be honest. Talking about your mind is not easy because your mind is not clear all the time. Sometimes it is noisy, sometimes it is confused, sometimes it is tired. And when you try to explain it, you feel scared. Scared of being judged, scared of being misunderstood, scared that people will say you are overthinking. But listen carefully. Your thoughts matter. Your feelings are real. Part 2. First step, slow down. The first step to talk about your mind is to slow down. You don't need big English words. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need honesty. Start with simple sentences like, I feel confused. I am not okay today. My mind is tired. I don't know what I want. Simple words, real feelings. That is enough. Part 3. Use I sentences. When you talk about your mind, always use I sentences. Not, you made me feel bad, but I felt hurt. Not, everything is wrong, but I feel lost right now. I sentences make your thoughts clearer. They make your message softer, and people listen more. Part 4. Accept silence. Sometimes you don't need to talk continuously. Silence is okay. When your mind feels heavy, pause, breathe. It's okay to say, give me a moment. I need time to think. Silence is not weakness. Silence is part of understanding your mind. Part 5. Practice with yourself. Before talking to others, talk to yourself. At night, in front of a mirror, or while writing. Ask yourself, what am I really feeling? Why am I feeling this way? What do I need right now? When you understand your mind, words come naturally. Part 6. You don't need to explain everything. Remember this. You don't owe everyone an explanation. You can choose who deserves your thoughts. It's okay to say, I'm not ready to talk, or I'll share later. Protecting your mind is also self-care. If you are listening to this right now, I want you to know something. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are just human. Learning how to talk about your mind is a journey, not a race. Take it slow. Be kind to yourself. Thank you for listening. If this episode helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear this today. And remember, your mind deserves a voice. See you in the next episode.